Hello YouTube, this is Tricornage. Tricornage is going to talk to you guys today about something that's important like always, but today we're going to talk about my top 10 favorite numbers. We're going from 10 to 1, and we'll see what happens after that. So number 10, that is 3. Yeah, that's right, 3. It's 3 because, well not because, but you know, it's kind of in my username thingy, because try, T-R-I. Well, but it's really triangles and tricycles, but you don't need to know about the tricycles part. Mostly triangles, yeah. Okay, and then it's 383,093 is number 9. Now, this is on this list for obvious reasons. Let's go to number 8, 2. I like the number 2 because it's the smallest prime number, and it's the only even prime number. I think. Is -2 a... Sure. Okay. Number 7 is 72. I like the number 72 because it's an awesome number, guys. It's like 9 times... not 8. And then it's also like 12 times 6. The fact that I can come up with that faster than the other one is like kind of weird. Unless, you know, we'll get to that more in number 5. So number 6 is 64. Well, that's kind of cool because it's got, well, 7 is 72 and 6 is 64. Sounds like I did that on purpose, but I didn't. So 64. I like that number because it's like 8 times 8, so it's 8 squared, and that's also like 2 to the power of, I don't know, like some really high number. Or I don't feel like doing the math right now. So then now, number 5, 12. I like the number 12 because it ends in 2, and that seems to be a trend on here. I'll tell you how many numbers end in 2 later. So 72. There's 72. So far there's 2, 72, and 12. So number 4. Ooh, we're getting really high up on my favorites. 7. I like this number because I like the number 7. And I just really like the number 7, okay? True story. So my third favorite number is 52. I forgot how to say that. 52 because, you know, DC's comic relaunch is called The New 52. And then they've got another comic book series that I learned about recently called 52 that was published before The New 52. I've got no clue what it was about, except I know that Booster Gold was in it. Booster Gold. And then number 2 is 42. And I like the number 42 because it's the answer to life, universe, and everything. And also I like it because I was reading this Booster Gold comic. Oh, I mentioned him before in this video. And I randomly, I didn't know what page I was on. So then I checked the page, and then I was like, ooh, that would be really cool if I was on page 42. And then I checked it, it was 43. And then, so then it's 43, you know. It's not really as cool, but it was on the other side. On the other side was 42. It was cool. And now, drum roll thingy. I'm not going to do that. 17.5. This obviously I have to explain. But the only problem is I don't really have an explanation. It's kind of like how I added witch into Tricornwich, just like I like sandwiches. It's just, you know, it's kind of random. It was spur of the moment kind of thing. You know, what's your favorite number? 17.5. It was, you know, spur of the moment. And then an honorable mention, number 11, is 147. Why 147? Because 147 is a good number. And because I was looking up something on Wikipedia earlier today, and this one Wikipedia article had over 147, what are those called? Sources. And then 147 was the one that I wanted. And now it's my 11th favorite number. There was also a conversation to go with that, where I was like, this article has over 147 sources. And then, yeah. Yeah. And then, on the subject of why pi isn't on here. I do not like the number pi, not because of math class. Math class is okay. Besides, if I were to not like any shape because of math class, right now, it would be triangles. Too much angle stuff with triangles, because, oh my gosh, it's complicated, man. But I personally believe that circles are overrated. I mean, I'm not trying to hate on anyone whose favorite shape is a circle or anything like that. And besides, I've got pi memorized out to 3.14159, okay? If I were to put that as on a number on a list, it would be probably, I think it would be around like the, oh wait, give me a second. The 314,000, never mind. It's like on the bottom of the list because there's more numbers than that. Now, yes. Whoa. The chair's moving, guys. It's so creepy. Okay. So this is all I really have to talk about to you guys. This video was just about my top 10 favorite numbers. And I had a cheat sheet where I wrote, let's look at it. So it goes, you guys can see my awesome handwriting, and then I've got 3.14159, and I did say that off of memory writing it. And then it also says a while later. Oh, it's upside down. I can't tell. It is, yes, it was upside down. And then on the other side, it's like an illustration for a Cornman comic thingy that I did in art class. Not because it was an art class requirement, but just because, you know, what good is art class if you can't draw pictures of imaginary superheroes in it? Bye. I don't have anything. Oh, wait a minute. I'm going to say my outro again. I got this, man. I got this. So, if you like this video, like it. If you had any strong feelings about this video, comment them. If you want to watch other videos like this and a whole bunch of pointless ones, or if you want to be informed when other videos like this and a whole bunch of other random videos are published, subscribe and share. I'm not going to give a stipulation about that. Just share. Tell people and stuff. Bye.